Let's go to the storehouse and get some baskets for the potato harvest. Wait, harvesting by hand is too hard. I have a better idea. Let's draw a powerful yellow excavator with cool stars. Yellow body and bright stars. It looks amazing. 1, 2, 3, magic time! Wow! Our star excavator is ready to help!
Monkey Bandit is destroying everything! Stop him!
Hello, yes, it's Ben. You have to send help immediately. The entire crop is ruined.
Help! The monkey stole the excavator and is ruining my potatoes.
Don't worry, Farmer Ben. We are coming to save the farm. Magic brush. Create a sticky barrier. Gotcha, Monkey Bandit! Stealing and destroying is wrong. Whimpers. You must write your apology and help us fix the farm right now.
I accept your apology. Now let's get to work.
Teamwork make the dream work.
Let's clean up. Great job! Now you are a real helper, Monkey Bandit.
Potatoes for everyone. Healthy and yummy.
Always use your power for good. See you next time.